Hello, type of fashion. I'm about to start my skincare routine, but then I'm also doing a very, very, very intensive mask and exfoliation process because if y'all remember, I told you my skin is like going crazy. So if anybody told you clear skin happens overnight, they lied. We got everything we need here to get back on my clear skin journey. So we about to do it. We're about to do this. I think I showed you guys before, and I have a video where I've mentioned products that I use, but let's just get to it. Free big slime out the cage. Shorty tried to play it cool, but now she wish she would have stayed, cause every song that I made ringing like I got engaged. Love my guys, I wouldn't trade. Guys, welcome back to my channel. Another beautiful day in my life. Listen, we're vlogging, we're on the road. I'm gonna order some Starbucks drive-through and pick up our orders curbside because today is not the day for running around and going through the stores. Yeah, you guys. Later. Got one in his hand. Dirtied up a cup, I'm on the north side. Text you, but I know you probably courtside. No, I gotta come and check the whole man, baby. Hold tight. I just touched the city with the cheap block trainers, and we got adopted by some fit for strangers. You know what it means when I twitch deep. Mom getting her hair done. Triple A and booger butt. Can I just style mommy hair? I got my paint stuff, the sanding stuff. The table's crazy right now, but we got the sander and we're gonna tear this off. Hello guys. I don't know why I do this. It's literally my thing. I always do that. So Jane is in a meeting now. I got her stuff all set up for the week, as I kind of like showed you guys already, and then now it's me. So obviously being a stay-at-home mom is a lot of work, so I'm doing laundry and stuff. I want to get my stuff situated and stuff for the week as well, that way like on the daily, I'll either get up, yoga, meditate, smudge, like whatever that I need to do, and then it's pretty much game mode. So I'm like mommy, I'm like business mode when I'm planning my business stuff. I'm trying to think what else, just to kind of give you like a gist of like what it's like. Break. Yeah. Kidding. I am sitting here getting her schoolwork printed. This is her binder that I put together. Getting everything ready for the week. So then I do a meal planner, plan out her lunch for the week. That way she knows what she's having. She just had her bath. I'm about to do her hair. Yeah, mommy's gonna do her hair. I got this and some hair ties. So you gonna let mommy do your hair? Are you gonna let mommy do your hair? She's like, maybe. What? What? You let me spray your hair? Hi. Just gotta keep her calm. Challenging moments of your life. Alright guys, we're outside. We're about to blow some bubbles. You blowing bubbles out there? Huh? You mess with mommy's coffee. Please don't spill that.
Sissy, how are you?
Good. Oh, you're so sweet. How are you? You gonna blow some bubbles for Sissy to skate through?
Yeah, that's it.
I think it's like impenetrable. Okay. And I don't want to put my mouth on it because it feels like
I don't know.
You can feel it coming out.
Ugh.
Show us some skates. Go like 30 miles per hour.
30.
Yeah. Go fast. Go fast.
Go fast.
Not 30 miles, though.
You're close.
Bubbles! Bubbles! Bubbles!
Wow.
Why did it go?
Wow. Blow. Go. Like blowing a balloon. Yay. Here we are. Still looking hot on mess. About to cook. Chicken. Clean and ready to cook.
Like a fair trade to me. Yeah, mama used to be on disability, but gave me this.
Chicken, bro.
Oh, it's heating up.
Uh-oh. Okay, she's multitasking.
Y'all, you got started. So, as we wait for the chicken to cook, we are going to do some
It is beautiful.
shopping.
My favorite.
So, let's see how quickly this cart adds up. We're running to Target. Say hello. Let's go shop. Spend all the money. Thank you. You too. Oh, am I still shopping though? Is that okay?
Yeah, there's
Okay.
a little, there should be a little sticker on there.
Oh, okay.
It says you already paid for it, so you guys
Okay,
are all set.
awesome. Thank you. Come on. So I put indoor walk on my app. I mean, on my fitness app because Target is technically working out. He has Halloween stuff out. Well, I thought she was gonna see my vlog, and then he's gonna see why it takes so long to get out of Target. Oh, look, it's a cute little camera. And it's gold.
Mom?
Let's see if we can find something for you for like school. That's it. And it won't
Need your help?
slide down. And no one, I can't find anybody. Like no one's working.
Be careful.
I think I got it.
Okay.
Hold this cart.
Be careful of your sandal.
Girl, hold on. Woo. Now they need to get it to me
That
for free.
wasn't so hard.
Hello, Target fashion. Ready? We gotta go. We gotta go. They're about to kick us out. I escaped. I'm back at Target, guys. And I got some little ones behind me. Just getting some random stuff. Cha! Cha! Wow. Wow. This way, Gina. Back home from Target. Look at the damage. That's what happens when you really just be walking the aisles casually. Just get whatever, anything, just jumps in the cart. I'm just kidding. I got this immunity boost shot. It has ginger root, turmeric root, elderberry, and black pepper. And let me tell you guys, it's probably not gonna be that good. Chills. Vive Organico. Just kidding. Now, after that burn, that ginger and that pepper burn goes away, it's not that bad. But it doesn't taste the best. Please, I got these for myself and then I realized they're the wrong size, so you're just having them. And I gotta clean the fridge out before I put anything else in it. So I'll catch y'all probably tomorrow. Because I got laundry to put away, I gotta do the table, I gotta clean up, I gotta like focus. Yeah, so tomorrow's probably a better day to vlog. Peace. Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. Another beautiful day in my life. Don't mind these, I'm just trying to take care of these bags and this skin, which I got some stuff on the way that's pretty invasive and intense. Since I'm an esthetician, your girl can use it safely at home. But yeah, enjoy the vlog. Let me make this French toast for these girls. Cheers. Oh, that's lovely. That is excellent. This makes me so happy. We've got eggs, we've got bread, and we've got, ooh, perfect crack. Good job. Wash your hands good, please. This is great. It's almost like I just can sit back while you cook your own breakfast. And a little more, stop.
Yeah, I'm outside.
And truly extend gratitude and appreciation to the day ahead of you. Knowing that whatever comes your way, today is a gift.
Ask me how much I got done today. Don't worry, I'll wait. I actually just passed my real estate course. Whew. That was a huge anxiety and burden lifted for me just now. Now I got to take the state exam, but that should be a breeze. And then I'll be licensed as an esthetician and a real estate agent. This is where I'm going to end the vlog. I'm actually going to meditate, yoga, work out, do all of my things, and then I'll start to edit it, and then I'll upload it. Like I said, this weekend's gonna be crazy, so I'm not gonna be able to vlog and edit and like upload like that. So I will start again vlogging this weekend.
What's your dream?